What if I told you that your next big win in negotiation might come from someone you can't stand? It sounds crazy, right? But history has proven time and time again that your most powerful ally can be the person you least expected. And trust me, I know this firsthand. Today, I'm breaking down the power of unlikely allies in negotiation, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn an adversary into an asset. Let's roll. Recently, I had to partner with someone who had been critical of my efforts, and not just any partner, one of my largest competitors. We didn't agree on much, and in the past, we've gone head to head. But the opportunity in front of us wasn't just about us. The deal had the potential to impact nearly 100,000 people. So what did we do? We put aside our differences, focused on the bigger picture, and created a deal that didn't just work. It became a huge win for everybody involved. Why unlikely allies matter. Negotiation isn't about working with friends. It's about finding leverage and shared interests whenever they exist, even in the most unlikely places. Think about World War II. The United States and the Soviet Union hated each other's guts. But when the bigger enemy appeared, they formed an alliance to take down Nazi Germany. Or how about Steve Jobs and Bill Gates? Microsoft literally helped save Apple in 1997 with an $150 million investment.
And I'd like to announce one of our first partnerships today, a very, very meaningful one, and that is one with Microsoft.
Why? Because keeping Apple alive meant Microsoft could avoid monopoly accusations and turn even bitter rivals into powerful allies. And like I mentioned at the start, I recently had to do the same thing, partnering with someone who was openly opposed to my efforts. At first, it felt unnatural, but once we realized that we had a shared mission, it changed the entire dynamic. The cost of burning bridges. Now, let's flip the script. What happens when you burn bridges? Do you know why so many business deals fall apart? Because egos get in the way. If you let personal feelings dictate business decisions, you may win the argument today, but lose the opportunity tomorrow. This is exactly why my recent negotiation was even possible in the first place. Despite past competition and even some confrontations, we never burned the bridge. We left the path open even when we didn't agree. And when we had the right opportunity, we were able to walk through the door instead of having to rebuild a new one. That is what is so crucial, to leave your opportunities open. How to navigate unlikely alliances. So, how do you actually build an alliance with someone you don't like or you don't trust? It's all about a strategy and emotional control. Number 1, identify shared goals. Forget emotions, focus on what you both gain. Ask yourself, what problem do we both need to solve? Step number 2, control your emotions. Don't let past grudges cloud your judgment. Stay calm, calculated, and focus on the long game. Step number 3, build trust slowly. Trust isn't built overnight. Start small, deliver results, and prove reliability. Step number 4, stay open-minded. If you're stuck in old ways of thinking, you'll miss game-changing opportunities. Bottom line, if you can master diplomacy over drama, you'll unlock opportunities others will never see. Here's a conclusion. At the end of the day, negotiation is a long game. The allies you build today, especially the unlikely ones, can be game changers in ways you can't even predict. The deal that just negotiated, it worked out for everybody. We enhanced the overall agreement instead of just competing. And now, instead of fighting over the pie, we've grown it. Remember, your greatest opportunities may come from the most unexpected places. Keep your friends close, but your rivals even closer. I hope this helps you turn a rival into a partner. And let's keep conquering the negotiation table together.